Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the BCM body control module fuses relays on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, guys. We'll talk, please guys, do not waste your money on parts tools diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be something else, quite simple fix as well. We'll talk about that. And if you need to buy any replacement parts tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. BCM body control module fuses relays come, guys, to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation GMC Terrain here. Quick advice from us, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do, open the passenger door now, and when you do that, come to the passenger side. That's on the inside of your GMC Terrain. In the footwell compartment on the passenger side, on the center console, you have a cover right here, guys, that you need to pull out, and underneath you're going to have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here is what we will need to check now, specifically multiple fuses that control the BCM body control module. You may have all of them or some of them depending on the year and configuration as well, but the first fuse that we're talking about is fuse number 4 right here. Then we need to check fuse number 6 right there. Then you go to fuse number 7, okay, fuse number 8. So these 3 fuses, that fuse right here, 4, 6, 7, 8. Then you need to go to fuse number 16 and 20. Check, most of them are 15 amps fuse, guys. Then you will need to locate fuse number 30, which is right here. Then you go to 31, 32, 33, 34, fuse number 34. And after that you need to check one main fuse that's known as fuse number 40. What about relays? You don't have relays, guys. You have these fuses that are known as relay fuses, so practically that will be the only thing you need to check. If you still have problems with the BCM body control module, you may need to actually, guys, reset the codes, clear the codes, and that may fix problems that you had with the BCM. So do not replace it until you check fuses and until you reset the codes, because it could be quite simple fix. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.